Hail netting is a crucial component in protecting your crops from hail damage. But did you know that there are essential accessories that can significantly reduce installation costs while providing additional protection? EyouAgro designs and manufactures a variety of hail netting accessories for installation to meet the needs of the farm. We offer a wide range of accessories, including fixing pins, elastic wires, adjustable hooks, caps for poles, bungee cords, PE ropes, and other clips and hooks. These accessories are essential for hail netting installation and can save you significant installation costs. These accessories are heavy-duty and UV stabilized, providing additional protection to your crops and ensuring that your hail netting installation lasts for years to come. At EyouAgro, we also offer custom hail netting accessories. Our professional design and molding team can help you create custom accessories that meet your specific needs and preferences. We hope to work with you to improve the efficiency of hail netting installation in your farm and make the installation of hail netting firm and not easily damaged. Get more out of your hail netting with EyouAgro's range of reliable accessories. Learn more about our hail netting accessories and place your order. Protect your crops and ensure a successful harvest with EyouAgro's high-quality hail netting accessories. Visit our website today. We hope we can cooperate with you in the future.